Hey everyone, my name is Marlon, owner of Comfortable Heating and Air Conditioning based out of Novi, Michigan. We service furnaces, air conditioners, boilers, but we want to reach out and just let you know the importance of getting a furnace maintenance. The wintertime is coming, the holidays is coming, so you want to make sure that when your family comes by, everyone's comfortable. You want to make sure that your equipment is safely operating. Give us a call at 248-487-8649 or reach us on the web, www.comfortableheatingac.com, or just send us a quick email, info@comfortableheatingac.com. Hope to hear from you soon.